In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft Teams desktop shortcut. We'll walk through each step to make sure you can easily access Microsoft Teams right from your desktop. Whether you're working from home or in the office, having this shortcut can save you time and streamline your workflow. First, let's start by ensuring that you have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer. If it's not already installed, you'll need to download it from the official Microsoft website and follow the installation instructions. This process is quite straightforward, and once finished, you'll have Teams ready to go. Now, let's locate the Microsoft Teams application on your system. If you're on a Windows computer, the easiest way to find it is by clicking the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once there, type Microsoft Teams in the search bar. The application should appear in the search results. Go ahead and right-click on the Microsoft Teams app from the results. You'll see a list of options appear. Focus on the one that says Open File Location. When you select Open File Location, this will take you to a folder that contains the actual Teams application file. Now, we need to create a shortcut. To do this, find the Microsoft Teams icon within this folder. Right-click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Send to. You'll see several options pop up. Choose Desktop Create Shortcut. This action will create a shortcut on your desktop, giving you quick access to Teams the next time you need to dive into a meeting or chat with colleagues. Take a moment now to navigate back to your desktop and check that the shortcut has appeared. You can move the shortcut to your preferred spot on the desktop. Simply click and drag it where you'd like it to be, so it's conveniently located. Customizing your desktop layout can help you become more efficient. Before we finish, let's just double-check that everything works smoothly. Double-click the new Microsoft Teams shortcut on your desktop to open the application. If Teams opens without any issues, congratulations, you've successfully created a shortcut. If you run into any problems, double-check the steps we've covered to ensure everything's been followed correctly. Creating a desktop shortcut not only speeds up access to Microsoft Teams but also enhances your productivity by minimizing the time spent navigating through menus. It's a small task that can make a significant difference in your daily routine. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to create shortcuts for other applications, as the process is generally the same. That's all there is to it. Adding a Microsoft Teams desktop shortcut is a simple but effective way to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.